What are we doing today?
We're making this wonderful salad.
2020 Easter.
We're
Teresa
covering
Neal.
Easter eggs over here. Don't show the dirty seat.
Okay, we're doing Easter eggs, she says. Show us how we make Easter eggs. How did you prepare these dyes? Okay. That tells what did you do? That's Paws Deluxe Easter egg dye kit.
Okay, I'm gonna put an egg in here. Oh, I gotta pull the
Wait,
eggs
you gotta
out.
do the eggs. Is he making the video? You're supposed to show them how to make it.
Knock it off. Get away from my.
She had already put the
Little
eggs
kitchen.
in here. How long do they have to sit?
It says 5 minutes, but you can go for longer for more in-depth color. But we don't have time. Ooh! Ah!
I can't see it.
It's too dark.
No, your hand's in the way.
Well,
You need to be on the other side.
How else am I supposed to do this? Don't get in my dirty sink, please.
What are you doing here?
Letting my pretties dry. Look at that beautiful Easter egg blue. Get in there, buddy. Let's see what color this is. Look at this. Ooh. Is that a red or an orange? I think that's, I don't know. But it's beautiful.
How long do they take to dry?
I don't know. Here we've got the Easter egg green. I love that.
You don't know how long it takes to dry them?
Smarty pants, knock it off.
This is a video on how to make
You
them.
should be watching.
You don't even know how to make your
You should be
eggs.
watching our church service on TV. Go join your e-group.
So what kind of eggs do you use to make these?
Chicken.
Chicken eggs. So if you hear that, you know.
Not brown eggs. One gal at Sam's Club told me that she had real chickens, but they lay brown eggs, so she had to go out and buy real eggs, white eggs.
Oh.
First time in her life, she said, has to go out and buy white eggs.
Did they used to lay white eggs?
No, brown eggs.
And now they only
Brown
lay
chickens.
brown eggs?
Yeah, just like brown cows.
Brown chickens.
Brown cows make
Chocolate milk.
chocolate milk.
Oh,
Okay, would you
yeah,
like
that
to-
makes sense.
Would you like to color an egg? I've
Sure,
got
I'm gonna
two
demonstrate.
left. Let's see. We got 2 blues, 2 greens. Probably.
Okay, so I take this and how do
Oh,
I
I
do
got
it?
a purple going
How
here.
do I do it?
You-
Put it in the
Yeah,
thing.
you don't want to get your fingers. Which color?
Okay, then dip it in the orange.
Okay, that's a bright one. Oh, that's going to be pink, I think. That's pink.
No.
We got one more.
Okay, this one. This is the only one left.
Okay, what color? We only have one yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow's beautiful. Where's yellow?
That's like an orange.
No, I think that's yellow.
Looks orange to me.
Whoa, look at, did we even not do this one?
You better put that one
That's
in.
orange.
Yeah, do that one.
Well, then we're going to have a lot of reds and oranges. I think we should do yellow.
Okay.
Well, it's up to you, whichever one you want.
I don't care.
Sure?
Yeah, honestly, I don't care.
Well, this one is going to be yellow. Now I got to make my fruit salad. Okay, pretties. Now we just have to dip Baxter's tail in the tip.
Okay.
What color?
You want your...
Easter egg. But it's got to be pink or red. Maybe
Red.
It's got this. Okay. Let's see if I can do it.
You have a red tail.
You've got to give him a treat while I do this. Come here, buddy. Come here. That's okay. Mama's just going to go real quick. Oh!
There you go. How to
Ah,
make Easter
look
eggs.
how beautiful you
And-
are.
Oh, you're getting all over the
Get away from our
stuff.
We are temporarily
It's on the
in
cabinet.
this 100-year-old home, and you can tell by the cover.
Good. How do you like your tail?
Don't get it on the new tablecloth.
Oh.
Stay close the
Hey.
gate. You can't go out there and get it into the tablecloth. You look beautiful. Let's get your treat.
Well, that's how to make Easter eggs.
He's got
and-
Easter butt. Beautiful.
Dye your dog an Easter color. You should put multiple colors on.
Okay. I can't. It'll going all over.
Quit wagging your tail so we can see if
He's
it's...
getting it on
Oh,
the-
he's drying it.
He's getting it on the.
Here, let's look at it. Oh, there it is. Oh, it looks good.
Okay, buddy, you did good. Here you go, one more treat. Look at our filthy floor. 100-year-old house.
All right. Thank you, Miss Teresa Neal, for your demonstrations. Bye. See ya. What's the next holiday?
Mother's Day?
Okay, see you Mother's Day.
Yes, and hopefully you'll be getting that.